Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, where today I'm going to be playing some blooket. Now, I haven't got any ideas yet to play really on the channel, so I decided why not do some blooket. So, how am I going to start this? I've been thinking about this for a while, and I've been saving up on blooket coins. So, for the start of the video, I'm just going to be opening Blizzard packs, since it's 9 days till Christmas. By the way, if you're watching this on Christmas, Merry Christmas. If not, still Merry Christmas. I don't care. And then I'm going to, after opening a bunch of cat packs, I'm going to play Tower of Doom. I'm going to play a game of Tower of Doom. That's pretty much what I have planned. But without further ado, I guess let's begin. So, and real quick, I am playing this on a Chromebook, because why not? And one more thing, I'm planning on making Finding Nemo Part 3 soon, so stick around for that if you're enjoying those videos. Without further ado, I don't know how to say this. I think I'm just going to be me today. So, now, like I said, I'm going to be opening the Blizzard packs. I don't know what I'm doing. Alright, here, I'm just going to put on an instant pack. Now, my goal for today is, I've already opened a few. I have the Snow Globe, Holiday, Stocking, Gingerbread House, Reindeer, and Snowman. I'm gonna try my best to get Santa Claus. That's the goal of the day. And if not, it's fine. I'll try and get Santa on Tower of Doom. So, let's begin. Alright. Is it on? Insta open on? Alright. Let's begin. First pack. Already have that. Alright. Wait, maybe I could just like... Ooh, got a new one. Alright. So that's the first one. Okay. See what we get. Ooh. Snowman. Not exactly what I'm looking for. I already have one, but might as well keep it. Oh. Oh, I have that one too. Just gonna keep going. Alright. I just got that one. Oh. I don't have that one. Wait, I do have that one. I don't have that one. Hallelujah. Alright. We're gonna keep going until I get Santa Claus. Or until I get a new one. Which ones am I missing? Real quick, let's check. Let's check, see which ones I'm missing. Ooh, we're missing one. Good old Santa Claus. Alright. Let's keep going. Hopefully I can get it. Oh, I forgot to take off instant. There we go. Bang. Here we go. Santa Claus? No Santa Claus. Santa Claus? No Santa Claus. Santa Claus? Is it me or is this the third holiday gift? Alright, one again. Santa Claus? Nope. 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 Nope. I'm just gonna keep clicking. And then I'm gonna sell them and then try again. What? Is it just me? Or... Huh. Okay, last one. Santa Claus. Nope. Alright. Now we're gonna go to Blooks. We're gonna go to these. We're gonna sell them. Alright. We get 4. How many did I get of those? 6? 5, 6. 3 of 4. 3 of 4. That's 9. I got 9 of those. 8 of 9. I don't know why I do this, but I like selling them and then trying again. Because if I already have one, I can just use it. You know what I mean? Like, if there was a giveaway option, I would give them away, but there is no giveaway to people, so. Ooh, look at that, 245. So, let's continue. Go to instant open, because I don't know why you have to keep pushing that. I wish that you could just push the spacebar, but here we go. Did I push this? I pushed this spacebar. Here we go. Nope. 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 Oh. My goodness. Oh, I'm out. Oh. Here we go again. I'm going to keep trying. No. Maybe I should just do... Here, how about this? I think I'm just going to do this video of just opening to see if I get it. And then next video I make is going to be Tower of Doom gameplay. I'm a fan of blooket, if you're wondering. I mean, I play it sometimes, but most of the time not really. Every once in a while. It's not like I used to play it a lot. But, oh, I forgot. Instant open. Let's get that on. I used to play it a lot, but now I just don't, really. And if you're wondering, I got it from school. Yeah. Sometimes. Man, I played this in the college as well. In college. The classes. They did those. How many? Okay, I think I'm running out. Oh, ignore that. Well, I guess that shows you how long I've been playing. I'm level 90. Oh, yeah. That really does show you how. Alright, we have one more. If this is not Santa, if this is Santa, then the video ends. If this is not Santa, then we go to Tower of Doom. Here we go. Yes. That's not Santa. Oh, we have to go to Tower of Doom. Ay, ay, ay. Alright, well, I guess let's begin. Now, I'm going to be playing Tower... Well,